Wow, welcome televiewers to the program Step Out. We love you so much, and it's with pleasure that we are here today. We are sorry for the few minutes late. We had to fix out some stuff, so everything goes on well, and we are happy that you all are watching. Thank you so much. It's on Canal Set Harmony, the program Step Out with your humble servant Ibrahim. And you know what we do? Our main aim is to make sure you have a pleasant weekend, and because it's obvious for us to plan that together with you, now we have to present it over to you so you enjoy it. All right, good. So I'll take this opportunity to appreciate those who are working very hard to make sure the channel goes well. Geraldine sur les platines, the supervision of Mr. Oberni, our CEO, and a series of fans like you watching, because without you there's no TV. For us to make it, we need to have people like you watching. Afin qu'on réussisse, on a besoin de personnes comme vous qui regardent à l'émission chaque mercredi à 14h30 live sur l'émission, sur la chaîne Step Out. Okay. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna be having a little musical break. I will come back with a slot on tourism and events. We'll give you some news too. So guys, stay tuned with us so you don't miss a slice of it. All right? Catch you right back.
I wanna hear you say that you're my lead. It's cause of what that you saw me. It's cause of what I feel. I'm trying again. You are mighty, you was too much. I'm not there, you free. I think you're the best until I'm mad at you get. Cause in you, 'cause I believe in you. Yeah. You'll never let me on dream. Your shine is my love, my love. I remember that you are darling. Oh my God, I love. Que tu m'as inscrit, seul entre le croire et la vie, je vois une lueur.
Whoa. Welcome back. Very happy I hope you guys love that musical interlude. That's one of these talented artists around. She's doing a beautiful job, and that's what we do on our channel. Canal Set. What we do is we push you, we promote you, and we make the platform available for everybody to come enjoy. Ce n'est que possible avec vous, parce que sans vous on ne peut rien, malgré le fait qu'il y a un peu l'expertise. Bon, à la fin il faudra que on le fait ensemble. Okay, we're gonna be having a series of stickers on our screen, and we comment on them. On va voir quelques événements importants qu'on va un peu essayer de communiquer afin de vous tenir informés, parce que c'est très important. Avec Géraldine à la régie, ce qu'on va faire, c'est qu'on balance des photos petit à petit sur nos écrans et sur notre écran, et on va commenter là-dessus afin que vous puissiez prendre note, parce que c'est très important. Alors pendant le confinement, on vous conseille, vous les parents, de passer un peu de temps avec vos enfants. Oui, parce que l'émission prône d'abord pour ça. Comment est-ce que avoir un week-end agréable? Oui, vous avez les enfants à la maison, c'est pas bien de leur abandonner à eux-mêmes. Voilà, c'est le moment de leur enseigner quelques bonnes manières. Cuisiner à la maison, c'est bien. Et surtout quand vous êtes des parents tellement occupés, oui, oui, tellement occupés. C'est le moment de leur enseigner, de cuisiner, parce qu'à votre absence, ils pourraient normalement se faire quelque chose à manger. Et aussi, il faut leur apprendre quelques exercices. C'est tellement important parce que, vous saviez, la santé est primordiale. Et voilà, il faut leur inculquer cette éducation à l'âge très tôt. C'est très important. So, ladies and gentlemen, please make sure you take this into consideration. Et aussi, on a des moments de détente. Il ne faut pas juste leur imposer de lire, voilà, de prendre des leçons ou quoi que ce soit. Il faut les laisser aussi s'épanouir, mais en essayant de contrôler ce qu'ils font parce que c'est tellement important. Aussi, on a constaté que certains enfants ont du talent, ceux qui savent chanter, voilà, ceux qui savent jouer à un instrument. Là, on a un micro Wi-Fi qui se connecte à tout haut-parleur Wi-Fi. Donc, tout ce que vous avez à faire, c'est de jouer une belle chanson et vous, avec votre petite fille, vous allez juste chanter dessus. Dans vos supermarchés, vous pouvez trouver certains de ces gadgets et ou instruments, raison de vous amuser avec votre famille. Là, on a des soirées karaoké, ça peut se faire aussi à la maison. C'est pas tellement il y a des gens qui vont dire c'est pour les riches et autres. Non, tout le monde peut le faire. Cherche-toi un micro Wi-Fi, un micro avec câble, connecte-le sur tes balles. Voilà, et avec l'écran, tu lis juste les lyrics de la chanson, vous vous amusez. Voilà, et aussi on a des home cinéma, les moments de détente avec le home cinéma, peut-être votre écran à la maison, vous téléchargez un film, vous regardez tous ensemble en famille. Voilà, c'est des moments tellement importants parce que vous vous découvrez entre vous, vous amusez et en soirée, vous êtes à la maison sain et sauf. Ça évite certaines tracasseries, ça évite un peu certaines disputes, ça évite aussi le fait de se distancier des enfants, c'est pas bien. Hein. Voilà, il faut toujours être proche de la famille, comprendre sa femme, comprendre ses enfants, c'est très important. Et là aussi, il faut profiter d'accompagner vos jeunes enfants à la maison avec le talent qu'ils ont. Certains savent peindre, voilà, achetez-les les gadgets, accompagnez-les afin qu'ils puissent voilà, se sentir aimés, accompagnés, se sentir soutenus parce que you all know it's not easy when we're growing up. We got talent and our parents sometimes do ignore, and most of us know that if we had that support very young, we would have been very far. So it's very important for you to stand by your kids, get them some painting gadgets, and why not assist them, you know, so they grow up with that talent and give their best. Aussi, on a des jeunes qui aiment des jeux vidéo, c'est pas tellement négatif, hein. Voilà, donc encouragez vos enfants, jouez avec eux, amusez-vous à la maison avec quelques petits jeux, allez dans un supermarché, demandez qu'on vous conseille quelques jeux en famille, et là on a l'autre, ceci je pense qui consiste de construire une maison, quelque chose comme ça, et à chacun son tour, hein, juste pour s'épargner. Good. Aussi, il faut apprendre aux enfants de développer la culture de la lecture. C'est très important parce qu'aujourd'hui, les jeunes, beaucoup de jeunes n'aiment pas la lecture. Et ceci va depuis le bas âge. Oui, il faut apprendre à travailler avec eux, lire avec eux des jolies histoires. Et je pense que c'est ce qu'on devait faire pendant ces moments de confinement. Rendre la maison agréable, son séjour à la maison agréable. Parce qu'il y a des jeunes qui se sentent, qui sont tellement, je vais dire, qui s'ennuient à la maison. On se barre avec, you know that French to the Jambox sounds. Me man don't laugh me. Here we have the Boya Fashion Week. And the Boya Fashion Week is an event that is coming up soon. It was supposed to be in May at ER Restaurant in Boya, but due to the recent coronavirus, you know, lockdown and everything, so they had to do a hard with the event. So ladies and gentlemen, please stay put. If you're a designer you can do outfits like that. You know how to bring up a craft, a beautiful one. Why not connect with René Tandisan? Si tu es intéressé, vous n'allez qu'à nous écrire. And what we do is we're going to connect you with her, which is very, very essential. And please, I repeat, make sure you connect with her now. Get yourself registered so your craft will be showed up there. You could come up with a series of models or you know, friends. They'll come and support you, and what we wish is that please your craft should go there in front. Okay, C'est ce qui est important, parce que ça ne sert à rien d'être talentueux et les gens ne savent pas ce que tu fais. Il y a quelqu'un quelque part qui crève, voilà, de déguster ce que tu fais, voilà, de consommer ton produit, mais la personne est à limite. Here we have the good stuffs of Chong Sosi. She's based in Douala. So what she does is she does this fries and does snail sauce. So she launched a call on anybody that wants to hold up with the activity here in Yaoundé. So if you have a fridge and you can do this sauce, please don't hesitate. Write us on the MTN number, and she's gonna be giving you some stuffs, you know, right away from Douala. She'll be supplying to you, and what you do is you normally deliver to clients here in Yaoundé, because a series of people really want to eat this. Et je pense que c'est une opportunité d'avoir un boulot. Maintenant, tout le monde qui a un restaurant apprend à délivrer à leurs clients depuis du restaurant à leur domicile. Et je pense que c'est une belle initiative. L'Afrique prend la relève. C'est très important. Donc, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. This was our little slot on how to help you relax throughout the weekend. Our aim is to see you happy throughout this moment of, you know, I'll call it the quarantine moment. Yes, c'est très important parce qu'on est enfermé à la maison et c'est pas facile. Donc, pour l'instant, on vous conseille, hein, voilà, de mieux vous épargner à la maison. S'il vous plaît, évitez des visites qui sont inutiles, hein, voilà. Donc, aimez vous-même. Il faut que vous vous aimez parce que c'est important. If you don't love yourself, you're gonna be missing it a lot. You know, love your home, love your house. Let people not get bored of you. That's why the program Step Up comes up. It doesn't mean you won't go out and chill, man. Go chill, but first, love your house. Let your home be a living space for you. When you're coming back to your house, make sure you be happy. Or the fact that your home is a space where you can relax and do beautiful things. Some people hate their homes, you know. They feel bored at home. It's wrong. Please make your home the best living space here on earth, right? Thank you so much. Alors, on va avoir une pause musicale avec l'artiste Jekyll. Voilà, c'est un rappeur camerounais qui fait des choses ouf. Donc, je vous propose ce jeune homme. Ça fait un bout de temps, chaque jour, je me lève le matin. Sa chanson est sur replay. You know, the guy's just so man that kind of way. Guys, you want to feel it? Watch on the screen and catch you right back.
Willy Daski, on a fait nos sadés à Bina Jeki.
Jay on the beat.
Yeah, so that boy again where I'm bustling and come over building. Ndem nakanjaka we the boni shakuza Unde hustling up, you don't think kwanza Repri jana kata Tai dry grass, we no sin jakaron to Malaska bukata Jakaron to Malaska bukwata The brain man, the ever come all the sena soccer But the brain man, I no carry the tree Kwata mata pay man, na tomorrow go give my ball Great I see when they sleep Cause you remember again tang there's a lot we've gotta build Say who's my rob, what the pre-see politics I say and say as way swati You days a box and the box big You got a yam and a knife, you want to use another thing Hustle until like I take the horse the stream and I know when if for use false calls me like talking
I can buy my own cabin Marriage chaputi for my cabin Time no day, no time for the bluffing Buy remedy job, make it use for famine Insomnia, sit on drive for my eye Bro, no be lie, I go sleep when I die Stick on the dengue, go make me go fly Jackie no one nang, wise man no go sleep Watch knife for keyboard, define and I space de la shanty, I need think twice I need that money so my BP just rise Turn by turn, the life in a jungle You take care for me, I care for make you happy Même dans les gars, je fonce, tu m'as comme ça Forget ce que tu just les deux mois et veut ça, the power for hustle today Billion no vibing clock, self, tell me what I get for now I never buy my rementang, self, tell me what I get for now 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 Mola, tell me what I get for now J'ai les problèmes de jetons Mola, tell me what I get for now Les mounas n'ont même pas de job Mola, tell me what I get for now 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 Mola, tell me what I get for now
Bill never even clock self. Tell me what I get to now. I never buy my rementang self. Tell me what I get to now. Tell me what I get to now. Tell me what I get to now. Tell me what I get to now.
Yeah,
tell me what I
see
get
I'm
to now.
purpose man Heads up man, I could be broke now
Ça forget ce que tu just les deux mois et veut ça, the power for hustle today Billion no riding clock, self, tell me what I get for now. I never buy my rementang, self, tell me what I get for now. 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 Mola, tell me what I get for now. J'ai les problèmes de jeu, donc Mola, tell me what I get for now. Les mouna n'ont même pas job. Mola, tell me what I get for now. 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 Mola, tell me what I get for now.
Billion never even clock self. Tell me what I get to now. I never buy my rementang self. Tell me what I get to now. Tell me what I get to now. Tell me what I get to now. Tell me what I get to now.
Yeah.
Tell me what I
See,
get
I'm
to now.
focused, man. Heads up, man. I could be broke now, but I'm not confirm. People rock out to see a bend where the bend pass. But you can change, man. They rock a bend, yes. This life is all about the cash, and I be telling you, no, you give a pray, give a fast, gotta fast, so better calculate for you gonna pass. Yes, and yes, boy, you gonna pass.
Boy, them the only fake How man go do for make pay too strong now? Why we not come fresh empty and I get for flop and time don't pass. What it come for rain, me race and rape man and I rape a jam. I'm hard me my jack and don't get me no open that gate down man so I shake it. Billion no riding clock, self, tell me what I get for now. I never buy my rementang, self, tell me what I get for now. 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 Mola, tell me what I get for now.
Billion never even clock self.
Tell me what I get for now.
I never buy my rementang self.
Mola,
Tell me what I get to now. Tell me what I get to now. Tell me what I get to now. Tell me what I get to now.
Mola, tell me what I get for now.
Yeah, I come again like born again with all my people. Yeah, for rainy day, they let dry season. J-Kill in the building, OT Nails, Akundo Vision.
Yeah, man, no get nang for the pay, you know, because if you nang, no boy, see,
You want to be millionaire? You want to get millionaire?
You want to get millionaire? You nang na.
I don't even nang, no way.
I tell you, man, that kind man. Yeah. Guys, welcome on the program. Step out with our guys here. You know, that's how we do things. You know, I told you guys we always prepare the best of surprises for you, and these guys are young, not only young but talented, and they are giving us the real vibes. You can see obviously the program, the platform is rich, coming from Lumbengete, vraiment le blanc.
Yes.
Le chat. Voilà. The correct Bamileke boy. We have the all-star boy here, Chris Will, in the building. You're welcome, bro.
Got the feelings, got the feelings.
Got the feelings, that's real. So we'll start with you, JQ. Without wasting much time, you're welcome. You present yourself to the televiewers so they know who you be before we start inside interviews on kind way.
Before you know who be, we will take them with the kind way we make them.
Of course, no.
We make na pigeon, we don't know some people call them boko weight rap. So Maggie will present himself na inside that pigeon.
Yes, no, but free.
Most of you now, una don't know me, but with time, una know me. Me, I been at J-Kill, just upcoming artists. I get a couple of projects out, and today I step out for help una enlighten una about my latest project with Daski Zaman Provision now. Yeah, so today, that's what we talk today. We in the building.
Confirm.
My able manager.
Hey.
With Ibrahim Boss.
The big boss. I said.
Bro, I see.
Okay, I know to say a manager there, you're cool, and at the sound I be dressed fine. Anyway, I know someone want to share the cam small time. Yes, of course. So I'll give manager opportunity to say what. So manager, you're welcome. You don't come with your artist today. Wait if you tell me about this young guy.
I don't even know what to say.
Hey, the justice would say.
You know, when you are beside a talented young boy, the only thing you have to do is to always admire him and do your possible for the young man to express himself. You see? So what I want to say, when you be upon a man like J-Kill, all the way you get to do
Very happy.
Very happy.
So that you go front.
You always be express yourself.
Yeah.
You don't get to, how can I say, close up talent. Jackie overget talent.
Over.
That's why you will never listen to the way we listen.
Tell me what we get with now.
Next month.
Yeah.
Yes.
You never listen to the way we get them.
Yes.
Budget day.
Project then day.
Budget day.
A budget is lack.
Budget is still lack, but budget day road the
It dey road the cam. No, na so we go confess that you see no.
Yeah, you
yes.
now.
Yes. Because una million dollars mindset makers. Una get that mindset to make the money. Now una say man give na so it be. Una get that MC una no give nang. So obviously if una no give nang, we go to keep on pushing so that me all thing work fine. Now we come back you JQ.
Yeah.
JQ you come up with the concept say now what's make you first come up with the kind of concept because say man the wise and some kind of style say this so you pass some kind of information some kind of thing and they way inspire you some kind of style because man the hear lyrics inside no boy you see no man the sing say some kind of thing they come out there inside sia at the time of Mboko no
Yes. No, actually as the project start now then we did not because actually after a second semester I just see Ratchapage last year, last August. I go pass some time for North with my big brother.
Wow.
Me and I did for day and I was like always lonely. I be always their house, nothing to do. And I gave my boy them back then, small artists they let me pen and Boko, Kid, Boko Prince. I just see boy them load video all
guy
the
they
time.
go front some kind of style.
Yes, and then I calculated that wait till they happen. Why I did back? I
Boy.
get for try something. Now with the way I catch the vibe. Why I get for now?
Why?
One have I reach for the place where I did
Hey.
because say we did for here.
Yes.
We did define them. Or we even my colleague for the hotel. We did try them for reach for top.
Yes.
But why I go to sleep? No lyric that time. I be just the low key or you can't thing. And I see put and put project aside. That way inspire me, motivate me, and then the concept just come out now. I call my man Daski Zama. I say, but big bro, and I say, oh, I know Daski from the project. Then I lie, all that kind of thing. I say, big bro, as you see, so I get some project. I want to put them aside. But I don't want them for give me one. I want like for open them now for future with some man. Yeah. And I don't pick now you. Plenty different people they out there way. I can take them, but I decide to take my big bro because of the respect I get for you.
Yes.
And so I call Zama. I said propose. He accept. Before I call Jayon. Jayon to go here. Make beat that big partner only online. Come, I see my man who can reach. I choose the money for go studio go record. We worry. And why that we record the song late around December. Around December I think. Go record, go record for Bichi Dagen, Tinez, yes, big producer, big artist.
Na Tinez record you, eh?
Na Tinez record me, so I don't take a shout out. Na Manda way the help people in the background and they know, So we see bring the project, encourage them, that kind of thing. And then we did it. It come out the way, come out plenty people appreciate them. So I the first one upload the song so that my boy them guide around me, they thought say no. That time for the upload, I track them audio track, it go pass online, and every year it don't pass. They
Do with the video.
Make visual something. And then I say, but how we go make video way? Share no day, no day. We go make video now. You know my team, you know
I know no boy.
All other people they already stand at that video now, so we bend down, donate money. We even find better producer, better director. We don't know who for call. I want for them amend now. It tap Magasco ki Nelson, because the guy will make a guy from A-Film.
Very strong guy.
Strong guy. The video na level.
Yeah, Nelson. After we get the number, we see, we negotiate. Yeah, and then we make the video. It come out. Yeah, it fine. I true say it done. But any done they will be planned.
No, see, when I fall on the video, see, I be launched. There is me and the man on meet up for MGS
Yeah.
they organize some show for Range Club.
Yeah, for Range Club.
Now Pendamboko, all the other guys that they come, they perform, the man perform finish. All man vibe for us. I should don't come. I just take that note. I be take note on Pendamboko, I take note on you. But me and Pendamboko no story that way.
Yes.
So now we don't come now, we just the chat, all that kind of thing with the story. Along some initiative online, so okay. The month when a quarantine moment, now true say people they go through challenges. Them my own way na say they offer 1 month free online promotion.
Yeah.
Where they only highlight men for 1 month. And they post about you, men they know you for 1 month.
Talk about me.
So now so when the guy come now post do the this. So if you comment, if you want to be a part, you comment, they like your stuff them more. And they do the work, he win. With some other guy them. MJS to win.
Mr. Ibrahim, you don't forget some fact.
And hear you, Papa.
That day for Range. Now nobody supposed to be for pass.
Yeah. Yes, actually, because
nobody supposed to pass.
Dasky, I
give 2 songs they don't already pass.
Dasky a very busy man, so it gave to finish work around midnight. So that day for that show, I don't put now because I don't want to perform one. You see no. So I put my 2 other track, one track with the online Jam Live and SS whenever I come out. It's come out inside.
Yes.
Yeah. So that day I will be like. I wonder say when I perform the 2 track then I finish Dasky enter and then all man do the accent and say nang
boy.
All man
Hey.
one ever see am
that
now
is
they will believe say to so man finish some place.
No boy, the guy is good.
Yeah, I will try with best say be nang pass wait around 2 o'clock we monitor the grand down. Yeah, I don't know the way my manager be do that day before they agree. I know see them be green.
They agree.
Yeah, and then
We have vibe on top of grass.
I always say if I'm not making a video, I will play on background.
Oh no, you get to send me that video
No,
because I walk
now
now say
YouTube.
yes.
Yeah.
We walk now say we get for the push that kind of thing because if we know the push, we own men them.
No.
We the claim say we will go outside. Oh, we should done for here.
No, not true.
Because I be tell my man the other day say if to say man come a platform, then tomorrow you come up be some better man. Tomorrow you want stand talk for society to say no, at least
I be passed through.
I be pass. I be don't go for grandi mic.
Ibrahim did the promotion.
All that kind of thing, but man.
Mr. Ibrahim did the
So the thing they over find me be important for me. So now so we I tap the man now as a year nang boy. I go listen and me give damn say no the thing they kick. I go buy my remote earphone. You said I be do Brian. I get remote earphone. So now that earphone with the warrior, I say no. I get for listen this song them well. I hate for promote 2 another year.
Yeah.
Because that is taught now ethics. So what they do, you know correct. My grandfriend Tony nobody where you know he don't give me the advice. No promote any song where you never hear.
Never understand.
Normally,
Hear and first, so that even if you get error, you know the way you talk about them. Because you know we stand to say the melody for song fine, where song no fine.
Fine, that kind of thing.
And when you do what we put a stand here, they watch you. It's not good. So bro, I wanna encourage you for what you're doing. You're doing a good job. And I want to tell you, see you keep on working because this video so get trace standard.
we knew it that day. That day at Range Club was a starting point, a new starting point to that project. Because the project was already on the way. And we were happy with what is going on.
Yeah.
But from that day, we knew we could do better. We knew we can go further with that
That's
same
true.
project.
And from that day, people saw the video and were like
Because the
booking us
promotion,
for
For shows.
the direction of the promotion changed starting from that day.
That day.
Range Club.
Ha! MGS, j'espère que tu es en train de regarder l'émission.
Non, MGS, mon frère.
Regardez, c'est un gars trop fort. You know, MGS can't see me tell me, say, grand frère, we dey for streets and we dey do shows and we men them, but at the end of the day, we need the turn.
That kind of thing.
Chris, you want me work in the MGS too? Because it be very important.
No.
You wise now. So the guy can tell me, I say, well, me, I don't see how they don't organize a series of shows that for street, but youths and see they stranded. MGS said he lance Range Club. He can see me, I say, bro, put me there. I go push.
Yeah.
I say I go give my own push. Who holla the thing out. Second one we been for the play for Jouvence for this oral snack for Jouvence. So new snack with some guy open up. Who kill him again for the boy. If he come platform for you, we can do promo. Who nail him man. Whole flop. The man be there, the Kora guy now, King Aluan be there, they fuck all the men then they come. So tell some men they don't perform that day.
MGS is doing something.
No, Sammy, the partner.
Normally, but we respect you.
No, we respect it, bro. You know, so no, you don't forget say the gift will come together, they work together. Who leave jealousy, man? Because look at my crew. My crew they get one spirit. When one man get problem, no, guy they just gather so around you, back push you.
I come with my crew. You know, you call me the next day. No?
The next day, guide them. I say guide them skip on.
Just try.
And you know, so that man for that other club for Jouvence be there inside that hall for Range Club. The guy sitting at the whole yes. It's not the whole vibe that day. Think day guy tell that the man Le Seigneur de la Nuit, the other guy they organize show and so. Say, because and if you imagine say the next show where the man do for Jouvence, now the other man they open his own this thing club. So if you imagine, it was immense, it was beautiful, it was great. Wow. So I want just like Toximuna keep working. So bro, I'll be very happy so you don't come on the platform and how people they feel listen to this song.
No, actually, if you put them for listening to Nang at the audio first day on all online platforms, Spotify, Deezer, Apple Music, all sides, and
Amazon.
Yeah,
for
Amazon. Where they feel like to buy.
Buy. No, they give for buy.
Yeah,
yes. Yes. For support the artist. Yes.
From the case you talk, I give big shout out to Music Digital because now they help me to make my song go for all platforms.
Wow.
I invite all young artists them to go in contact with them. Yeah. When you talk with them on a transact fine and you put on a song there. If you want to put your song for sale, yeah, you talk with them and will help you.
They'll help you.
Them. And then you upload your song, it go for all online platforms. Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Any man, no man, some man will tell us I get iPhone and no list your song. All man, man we see now listing now. I like man. And for YouTube too, when I see now the video day, yeah. When I go, when I subscribe, when I listen to the song, when I push the ball.
Push the ball. Now the only way that.
The only way.
Confirm.
Yeah.
So ladies and gentlemen, why I bring JQ for here today, JQ, and I believe say you don't air your mind. And for every person who never see the video, please go online, type JQ, alright? The title of the song Nana. Yes, but you type them, you listen them. If you find you download them, you want vibe them for house, you vibe them. And if you want support the artist, just go for Amazon, load your account. You see, I know. So that way you listen, you just chop here the money, they send them for you. They go work, come out big video. How we manage there and fighting. So, ladies and gentlemen, JQ, you get any one word for girl where you find them before the.
The only thing no again for my support that and I say I thank them for all training on they do up to this level because no be today man start. Then with time man on see it's on the go.
It's on the go from.
You say school with the blog man for some level. The year man to don't decide say no.
He must go front.
He gave for mix the two. Yeah. So the only thing I have to talk now thank you for all the support. And thank you for your support.
Well, Papa, now my pleasure. Always so we a family. The grandfather, this salatier, and the other men they will see them for up there. So they been a family. They can't understand say if they don't come together, no go front. Now they don't be for up there, they enjoy. We too, if we want go front, we go for come together. As a family, we go for front.
Family, most of that people are artists.
Artists.
Yeah.
No, I enjoy these guys. When I don't see Chris Reed for here today, Chris Reed na person they announce him again. The guy the way they run the work and they do a good job. Not only the fact say it influence showbiz for Yaoundé, but the guy has crossed all over the northwest and also doing a good vibe all over the city of Douala. He got a great fan base there, and I was very shocked because my big bro the other way, Tonino Buddy, since I started working with him, has been like, okay, I like what you're doing. If you're pushing Chris Reed the other way is very great, so keep working very hard. So for the moment, I'm involved in a series of projects concerning him, and I want to say it loud here. So what we're gonna do is we'll allow you guys to listen to your fellow brother Chris Will. So Chris Will, let's go enjoy that song together.
Let's go ahead.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's have a musical break with the beautiful song of Chris Will, My Personal Person.
Master Rebels on the beat.
It's your boy Chris Will on this song.
See baby girl, I'm in you. Every day and night, girl, I'm in you. See my baby girl, I'm in you. Every day and night, we go take it down low. Baby girl, baby girl, baby girl, baby girl.
Girl, you don't strike me like thunder. You be my number one, no one know that. Girl, we go see your mother, cause she got it, girl, you better than them. Baby, come for the duplex. Check bad man, panic, nah. Come close, baby, you know that. Girl, you better than them. Baby, drop that pretty body.
Baby, wind that pretty body, hey. Drop that pretty body, body, body. Yeah, you better than them.
Baby, baby girl, baby, baby girl, baby girl, baby, baby girl, baby, baby girl, baby girl.
Now you be my personal person, Nyango. Now you be my personal blessings, Nyango. Nyango, Nyango. My personal person, Nyango, Nyango. My personal blessings, Nyango, Nyango. My personal person, Nyango. Now you be my personal blessings, baby girl. Your love and them at over now. With you I go cross over. Yeah, you make me feel like a stranger, baby girl. Girl, I love the way you dance. Body no be firewood, oh. You make my body move me, hey, hey. You better done them. Baby, drop that pretty body. Baby, wind that pretty body, hey. Drop that pretty body, body. Girl, you better than them.
Baby, baby girl, baby, baby girl, baby girl, baby, baby girl, baby, baby girl. Oh na na na.
Now you be my personal person, Nyango. Now you be my personal blessings, Nyango. Nyango, Nyango. Oh, my personal person, Nyango, Nyango. My personal blessings, Nyango, Nyango. My personal person, Nyango. Now you be my personal blessings.
See, baby girl, I'm in you. Every day and night, girl, I'm in you. See my baby girl, I'm in you. Every day and night, we gon' take it down low. Baby, baby girl, baby, baby girl, baby girl, baby, baby girl, baby, baby girl, baby girl.
Now you be my personal person, Nyango. Now you be my personal blessings, Nyango. Nyango, Nyango. Oh, my personal person, Nyango, Nyango. My personal blessings, Nyango, Nyango. My personal person, Nyango. This is my baby mama. Me love you, mama. In your way, remember.
Master Robusta on the beat.
We feel the band dancer. Zero was up on the day.
Gentle Boy, the youngest producer.
Jehovah enter, I carry your matter for area. Chupa masa my defender, my defender. Jehovah enter, I carry your matter for area. Chupa masa my defender, my defender. Hey, say it's my duty to take your gospel across the world. Hey, so make you carry on until you back up for my head. No matter what I say, I will still stand by you. No matter what I do, I will still stand by you. Whether na north or south, whether na east or west, I go preach the word. Hey, whether na north or south, whether na east or west, I go preach the word. Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Jehovah enter, I carry your matter for area.
Wow, welcome back to the viewers. I believe you guys are with us for real, you know what I'm saying. And we just got JQ on the platform, and he was here to give us all the vibes necessary for us to know about his latest release, Nang. And the guys are working on an EP. So now we have the all-star Chris Wee, who's on the platform today.
Got the feelings. Got the
Oh
feelings.
my God, it's a pleasure to have you here, bro. Give you the opportunity to present yourself because we have fans that load up to watch the program Step Out every day. So let them know who you are. So who is this guy?
Hello, beautiful people. Good afternoon to everybody watching. And I just want to say I love you all. I'm Chris Will, the guy you already know. Got the feelings. You know.
Got the
Yeah.
feeling. So Chris Will, you're not here alone. You're with your manager. Bienvenue sur la plateforme. Canal. Non, l'émission, la plateforme de l'émission Step Out sur Canal 7.
Bienvenue sur l'émission Step Up sur Canal 7.
Il révèle la même chose que moi. C'est un plaisir de vous avoir ici avec nous. Donc, vous êtes actuellement le manager de Chris Will. On vous laisse l'opportunité de vous présenter et afin de nous parler mieux de l'artiste. Ça vous va?
Ouais, ça
Ok,
va,
vous
ça
avez
va.
le micro. Voilà.
Bon, moi c'est Samy, connu plus sur le nom de SGB7. Je suis promoteur culturel, propriétaire de l'agence événementielle SGB7. Je suis communicateur de formation, comptable et gestionnaire des entreprises. Ici, j'ai sollicité mon manager Chris Will parce que j'ai vu en lui un talent vraiment prometteur. Et nous avons vu qu'une harmonie entre, parce que lui il est anglophone, moi je suis francophone,
Ouais.
on pourra mieux s'en sortir dans le game.
Ouais. Alors, c'est tellement intéressant. Moi, je suis tellement fier de t'avoir ici avec nous et je pense que c'est un exemple pour toute la jeunesse camerounaise qui est là, qui nous regarde, de se mettre ensemble, travailler parce que voilà, je suis sûr qu'avec toutes les compétences que tu as, Chris Will automatiquement en a besoin pour l'avancement de sa carrière. So, Chris Will, you've got a manager and the guy is so skilled. How's work going presently? Because I believe you're working hard in the studio, preparing something, but you've got to tell us something about your release, Personal Person. You know, people get to discover you every day. Why did you do this song, My Personal Person? Because you know when I say you're my person, it's okay for some people, but saying you're my personal person, wow, that's so. No, the uniqueness in it is so deep. So tell us, bro.
Yo, greetings once more. Yeah, I want to start answering the first question about the activities we're pushing on. Yeah, I just want to say I'm so happy and thank God so specially for everything is really moving well due to the fact that I have people I could work with. Because at first I used to work alone and it was tedious. It was really difficult for me.
Yeah.
So right now I have people that I work with. Even the almighty presenter you see here is still in my crew, which means that we're putting forth something big for you people soon. I mean very soon, something really big. And talking about personal person, when you hear the title Personal Person, you understand? It's somebody who is your person, and the person is still personal.
That means you don't share that person.
Yeah, you don't share that person. It's a personal person.
Personal person.
Yeah.
La personne personnelle.
So, like seriously, when I performed that song last time at Pyramid, you must say like, I met him one time like that with Ngobelek Genevieve, one footballer like that.
Yeah.
So when the guy watched at my performance, he was like, wow, this guy is doing great. And he rushed to me and say, bro, I'm this. What do you think if we work together for some time? I said, bro, that's not a big deal, or I'm ready, and I just need somebody who is ready for us to go. And since then, the guy has been there. In fact, he always get there before me.
Wow.
In fact, he's a really good manager, if I could say. So right now we already have projects that we're working on, which are going to be out very soon.
Very soon.
Yeah, and beautiful projects.
Okay, beautiful ones. So ladies and gentlemen, please stay tuned with Chris Will so you don't miss any of his beautiful projects, because the guy's doing good music. And also, you know, when you released My Personal Person, the vibe went crossed borders. In the US, we had a series of Cameroonian home based in the US there who vibed to the song and sent you the video. I was on your status back then and I enjoyed myself because voilà, quand il a sorti ce titre de My Personal Person, j'ai été choqué parce que beaucoup de gens, des jeunes qui sont des jeunes Camerounais qui sont voilà du côté de l'Amérique, des États-Unis, ont vibé sur cette chanson dans les anniversaires, les soirées et autres. C'était tellement beau. So bro, you tell us about that. You know, what's the secret of you doing good music? Because obviously the song is so sweet, la chanson est tellement belle. Il faudra qu'on écoute l'artiste, hein, qui nous donne un peu de ses secrets pour ces jeunes qui, les jeunes hommes qui, you know, we have some youths there looking up to you. So tell us, what's your secret of doing good music?
Like seriously, I want to say that first is the grace of God. Because if something is good, it should be that there is the hand of God in it. You understand?
Yeah.
There's God's hand in it. Because like seriously, to have good music, you need to be humble. Yes. Let them say whatever they want to say about you. But be humble, listen, ask for opinion and ideas. When you do that, you normally have good music. Yeah, if you ask one guy like Lilov, he'll tell you about me. I went one day to him and said, bro, listen to this thing. I listened to this song. How is it? Why I went to him was like, he's not an established artist. He's an upcoming artist like me.
You, yeah.
But I went to him because when I listened to his song, they were good. So when I went, I said, bro, listen to this. He said, it's perfect, bro, it's good. I said, okay, it means it's good too.
It's good too.
So I never went because he's at that top level.
Yeah, you
I
guys
went
are all
because
at the same time, working together.
I want to share the ideas together and work for the best. For you alone, you can never get the best because everybody has his own ears and what he wants to hear in music. Yeah, because when I listen to you can listen to a song and love the song, but when I listen to it, maybe the feelings will not be.
Yeah, exactly.
That's why you get the new title, which the t-shirt will be coming on soon. Got the feelings.
Got the feelings, ladies and gentlemen. Get ready because a new project is coming. It's for you to get the feeling. Because you know, obviously, some people have been asking themselves, "How am I gonna feel this thing?" But now the artist is telling you, you need to get the feelings first. When you get the feelings, you would connect with me, which is very important. So, je reviens de ton côté. Comment ça se passe, hein? Voilà, parce qu'il faudra qu'on mette en place toute une stratégie afin que les projets que vous avez mis en place puissent s'étendre encore plus grandement, voilà, d'une façon plus grande, hein, afin que les gens puissent aimer et ça impacte plus les fans. Quelles sont les stratégies que vous avez mis en place pour les projets qui viennent?
Bon, déjà, vu que Chris et moi, nous sommes ensemble, ça fait pas encore 7 mois. Donc du coup, j'ai d'abord eu le temps à étudier l'artiste pour essayer de voir ses faiblesses, ses forces et voir ce qu'on peut améliorer. Et maintenant, après cette étape-là, on va passer à l'étape de la stratégie de communication. Vu que moi, je suis d'abord un communicateur de formation et il y a des stratégies que je vais mettre sur pied pour pouvoir essayer d'augmenter sa visibilité, sa notoriété et que d'ici 1 an, voire peut-être 8 mois, 6 mois, on puisse parler de Chris Will dans tout le Cameroun.
Wow.
Et comme je disais tantôt, on a des stratégies, il y a des événements en cours. Pourquoi? Parce que nous, on a notre stratégie. On n'attend pas des événements qui seront organisés par des autres structures où pour avoir accès, il va falloir peiner et aussi beaucoup causer. Donc du coup, on a des stratégies, on a des événements qu'on va mettre sur pied pour assurer la promotion de
l'artiste. Moi, je suis tellement fier. Hein? So, ladies and gentlemen, get ready. First of all, there will be a special communication strategy that will be coming up to reach up to you people. Yeah, because it's very important for you to reach up to your people. And next, there are a series of events that will be coming up, an opportunity for you guys to come, sit and enjoy the artist's music. Je pense que bientôt, il faudra aussi on commence à voir au collabo, hein, parce que je pense que l'artiste, bientôt, va commencer à affronter des gros noms pour des titres ensemble. And you guys get ready because everything Chris Will cooks is good. I remember back those days of Tomorrow Get Belle, vraiment cette chanson.
Get Belle.
Oh.
Your tomorrow get belle, yeah.
Oh.
Your tomorrow get belle.
Listen to him.
No, they cry you. Your tomorrow get belle. Tomorrow get belle, yeah. No, they cry you.
Hey.
I wake up early morning, no money to drink gari. But another man in this morning, they spending money like nothing. When I try to ask why I remember tomorrow get belle. When I try to ask why I remember tomorrow get belle. Life no be na kuti kuti. That's why I take it nyati nyati.
Hey. You know, c'est une chanson, c'est ça qui est fait. Je suis tombé vraiment sur le charme de ce jeune homme parce que il fut une fois, il a été appelé de venir prester à un des shows. J'étais assis là tout calmement derrière, et quand il finit de prester, cette chanson m'a touché parce que la communication qu'il essaye de transmettre au travers de ce titre est parfaite. Tu sais, aujourd'hui beaucoup de jeunes se posent des questions. L'autre avance, moi je n'avance pas. Ce matin je me suis levé, je n'ai même pas mangé, mais il y a quelqu'un qui est en train de dépenser l'argent comme si c'était rien. Quand je me pose des questions, on me dit non, demain c'est prometteur. Voilà, donc c'est un peu ce qu'il essaye de dire. Donc je suis tellement flatté par ce titre. And now Chris Will, since you're working on a new tune, when are we going to be expecting that? Can you just give us some, is it secret? A secret? Or just tell us.
Let me just say, it's a featuring with one, how can I put it? One great artist.
Oh,
I don't want to.
We don't want to bring the cat out of the basket now
because the work is still on the ground.
Yeah.
And soon we will release it.
Okay.
But for now, people should just know that something different, hot, real feelings.
Hey, I'm very happy.
If you remember, I once told you. Ça vient de commencer, mais c'est comme vous êtes fatigué. C'est l'heure de saca, mon ami, approche-toi. Et bouge-toi. Et donne-moi encore. Chop money, I know the year for play. Je ne suis pas dans vos trucs, la boucle fait au quartier. Si tu veux la bière, prends 5 casiers. Il me faut pas dire, tu es fatigué, mon bébé. Yeah.
Bravo, l'artiste. So, guys, please hook up with Chris Will so you get the best of these. We got him. We had no choice to call him on the program today because the guy is just what we need for these moments of quarantine. So please go online if you want to know more about the artist. Type Chris Will. You go to his YouTube page, YouTube channel.
Chris Will Official.
Chris Will Official. That's it. And on Facebook too is Chris Will Official. Good. So please go like his page. Make sure you are the first to get informed. Subscribe to his YouTube channel so when he drops that link, that song, you get this. You'll be signal on your phone first that Chris will drop something. And please go share his songs. Love them. Listen to them online. Chris Will, I hope you're working on how people could buy your songs too.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
Working on that, but really for now, we just want to have a good fan base out there first.
Yeah.
We want people to know what we have inside because for now it's not really about the money.
It's not about the money.
We believe that if we put the money in front, we will not have it.
Okay.
Because there's this thing in life when you want to do something which can give you money and you first of all think about the money without thinking of what to do the thing really good. Then you won't have the money because at the end you wouldn't think of how to make the thing good. The way you'll be able to please people. Like
Le garçon, il est sage. Il y a des jeunes aujourd'hui qui sont entrés dans le showbiz, ils se sont couronnés seuls. You run the race, tu es fatigué, tu dis qu'il n'y a pas l'argent dedans, tu ne peux pas te reposer, tu commences à donner les conseils aux gens n'importe comment. Travaille avec la passion d'abord.
Sure.
Quand tu mets le bon travail, l'argent va venir.
Sure.
C'est ça. Donc nous sommes à la fin de l'émission. Vraiment, nous sommes désolés. Vraiment, la prochaine fois, on aura beaucoup à dire. Okay. So, guys, please go online now. Check on Chris Will. Just search Chris Will. All right, and you will discover a whole package of what this guy does. He's wonderfully good. Okay. So, while we wish you the best of your weekend, what we do is we're gonna be separating with a beautiful smile and wishing you goodbye. And please. Stay tuned. So your stuffs go ahead. Géraldine, il y a une chanson de l'artiste Ishaku de New Belle Music. Il chante une belle chanson. Vous êtes là. Ok. Si c'est possible de nous balancer cela, on serait tellement heureux. Hein? Donc merci beaucoup. While we leave you guys, goodbye. We love you so much. Goodbye. Keep listening to Chris Will and watching Step Out.
I like the way your body go bang bang. Oh baby, give me chance. I like the way you dance to the baseline. You got me feeling high on a red wine. I wanna be your man tonight, oh. Oh baby, give me chance to vibe. Oh. I like the way you dance tonight.